This strawberry mascarpone tart is a showstopper. The crisp, slightly bitter chocolate pastry, Pâte Sucrée, perfectly balances the rich, creamy mascarpone and the natural sweetness of fresh strawberries. This is a short crust, meaning it's crumbly and cookie-like. Ingredients: 112 cups, 190 degree, plain all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup, 30 degree, Dutch processed cocoa powder, 1/2 cup, 60 degree, icing sugar, 1/2 cup, 115 degree, cold unsalted butter, cubed, 1 large egg pinch of salt. Instructions: mix dry ingredients, sift the flour, cocoa powder, and icing sugar into a bowl. Add the salt. Incorporate butter. Use your fingertips or a food processor to rub the cold butter into the dry mix until it looks like fine breadcrumbs. Bind. Add the egg. Mix until the dough just begins to clump together. Do not overwork it. Chill. Form the dough into a flat disc. Wrap in plastic and refrigerate for at least 1 hour. Bake. Roll the dough out to fit a 9-inch tart tin. Prick the base with a fork. Cover with parchment paper and baking beans. Blind bake at 350 degrees fans, 180 degrees sun, for 15 to 20 minutes. Remove beans, paper, and bake for another 5 to 10 minutes until the base is dry and set. Let it cool completely. The mascarpone filling, a light velvety cream that won't overpower the fruit. Ingredients: 1 cup, 250 green, mascarpone cheese, chilled, 1/2 cup, 120 ml, double, heavy cream, chilled, 1/4 cup, 30 degree, icing sugar, 1 tsp vanilla extract or vanilla bean paste. Optional: zest of half an orange for a bright citrus note. Instructions: whisk. In a large bowl, combine the mascarpone, icing sugar, vanilla, and orange zest. Whisk briefly to soften the cheese. Thicken. Pour in the heavy cream and whisk, ideally with an electric mixer, until the mixture forms firm peaks. Be careful not to over-whisk, as mascarpone can turn grainy quickly. Fill. Spread the cream evenly into the cooled chocolate shell. The topping and glaze ingredients: 1 lb, 450 grais, fresh strawberries, hulled and sliced or halved, 2 TBSP apricot jam for the glaze. Assembly: arrange. Place the strawberries over the mascarpone cream in a decorative pattern. Concentric circles look best. Glaze: warm the apricot jam with a splash of water in the microwave for 20 seconds. Strain out any lumps and brush the warm liquid gently over the strawberries to give them a professional shine. Set. Refrigerate for at least 1 hour before serving to allow the filling to firm up. Pro tips for success. Cold is key. Ensure your butter and egg for the pastry are very cold to prevent the dough from becoming greasy. The sealer. If you're worried about the crust getting soggy, melt 1 oz of dark chocolate and brush a thin layer over the cooled crust before adding the mascarpone. Serve fresh. This tart is best eaten within 24 hours while the pastry is still crisp.